Hi everyone.
Hey.
So tonight we are going to be making a dump cake. I have never made a cake like this.
She got super excited when she found out there were how many ingredients?
3. So it's super easy.
So she's super excited. So I went with the idea of getting peaches to do some peach cobbler, right? And then I was over there and I did get that, but I don't know. I'm just telling you, this was calling my name, Kate. And so when I gave her the 2 options, she chose this one. So this is what we're going to get to do. I have no idea if it's going to be any good.
Hopefully it will.
Okay, so tell them what we have.
Okay, we have 2 cans of blackberries.
Let's get it a little closer for you guys.
Oh yeah, so y'all can read it.
They're blackberries.
And then we have a box of strawberry cake mix. And we also have a stick of butter.
And we already have it cut up, so it's literally dumping it in. And I like toasty stuff, so I made
Strawberry cake.
I probably have too big of a pan. I'm sorry, what, Kaitlyn?
Strawberry cake toasted on the edges is always really good.
So, anyway.
What goes first? The wet ingredients?
Wet ingredients first.
Okay.
So.
Do my sleeves.
There you go. So how have y'all been? I'm gonna hold on to this pan so it don't go flying. I mean, you can't go wrong mixing blackberries with strawberry stuff, right?
I mean, maybe it'll be good.
I hope so.
I hope it will. That's all that was in there.
All right. See her.
So today for lunch, I decided I was hungry and I made myself a...
Hold on. Before you tell them what you made, can anybody guess what she made herself?
It was easy.
All right, now tell them.
I made some mac and cheese.
Surprise!
For me and Dad. It was really good because I added extra cheese. Does the juice stay or do we pour it out? Oh, okay. I guess it absorbs.
It does.
In the oven.
It does. Then we just shake.
That's some red blackberries.
We're just going to scoot it around, just spread it out a little bit, and then...
All right.
I mean, I probably got too big of a pan. This is probably more for
This
like a
is
double
a
recipe.
huge pan.
But
It's okay.
I figured it'll still be delicious. So, let's turn this for you guys. I dropped it. I have you propped up on my decorative.
Alright, is that good or do I need to cover it some more?
No, that's fine. That is fine.
What do I do with this spoon? Oh.
Uh-oh, what do we do?
Uh-oh.
Let me see.
Oh.
Sorry guys, I don't know what kind of button got pushed. But, all right. Now you just spread this out over it. You just kind of turn it sideways and just shake it from the side and it'll just start coming out. You just kind of spread it all the way around. And then you just go back and keep layering. I'm sure somebody else has tried this.
It's stuck.
No, it's not. You just kind of turn it to the side and kind of do like a little shake.
I guess I wasn't turning it enough.
There you go. Get some of it there. It's liquidy. Do you need to take it out? Does that make it easier for you? So tell me your favorite dump cakes. Not you, because I know you've never had them. I was talking to them.
I've had a pineapple upside down cake. I know that's not the same thing. But...
Well, Mama makes all kinds of stuff. I'm sure she's made something very similar to this. I am certain.
All right.
All right. Well, you got. Alrighty, so maybe like where it's kind of, I mean, I guess it probably doesn't matter, but just to kind of spread it out a little bit. It's probably going to all cook just fine anyway, because I don't really want to stir it up. Just scatter a little here and there. Here you go. Probably a little bit right there. Alright, that looks good. You can just lay it right here. Yeah. It's okay.
You're going to do all the butter?
You just do squares of butter all over it now.
Okay.
Just scatter them around. Here, let me get this again so they can see what you're doing.
It smells really good.
Okay. I can smell that strawberry.
Before we started the video, Mom gave me the option of using cinnamon in the cake, but I was not really wanting to do that. 'Cause, I don't know. I mean, I guess it would have tasted okay. But.
Yeah, I have no idea. I had just read in the comments on the peach cobbler that they had added some cinnamon and sugar to theirs, but now that's not the same as this, so I am certain that this is going to be perfect. Look at her getting them blocks of cheese, butter.
Oh, I forgot some.
There we go. And I already have the oven preheat for us, so what are we going to
350.
And it's going to be for 45 minutes.
That's a long time.
45 minutes she's got to suffer and just smell that yumminess.
I'll be okay then.
Yep. All right.
Bye.
We'll come back. All right, Kaitlyn has jumped ship. She's upstairs watching a movie, not caring nothing about getting this cake out. So I'm going to eat it all right by myself. Actually, I don't know. I'm going to have to try it and see. Let me call her. So this is blackberry. We have strawberry cake, and then at the very end of the 45 minutes, I put it on broil because I love a toasty crust. So y'all might think that's overdone, but I love a good, nice toast. So anyway, we'll let you know.
All right, so it's done. Mom likes the toasty part, so I'm gonna cut this out for her.
So let's see. Ooh, I can see the strawberry. I can see the pink.
This is gonna be mine.
That one's gonna be yours. Yeah, I did make it really shallow, didn't I? That's okay. Could have probably put 2 boxes of cake, but I just went by the a recipe of the peach one. It said take 2. So, all right, you're gonna get us some forks. Let's see. It's a little bit of a hot mess, isn't it? It's not super beautiful.
It looks like kind of like a s'more, but you would need marshmallow and chocolate.
All right, so let me flip the camera around and we'll taste it. All
All
right.
right.
It's too hot, or you think it's good?
I think it's good. Oh, went up weird.
Hot. Not too big of a bite.
Can I be honest?
I always want you to be honest.
I'm not loving it.
What part don't you like?
The blackberry.
Oh man, I could have gotten a different thing then. Do you like the strawberry part though?
It has too many seeds.
That is true. Blackberries do have a lot of seeds. I didn't think about that.
You want my blackberry?
She looks so disappointed. I'm sorry, Kate. I mean, it's not bad, but it does have those seeds in it.
Yeah, I think it's too shallow.
See, I'm afraid if I had done it in a small one, that the cake, see, the problem I have is, let me just, that little white piece there, I mean, the cake tastes fine, but it's just weird. So, I don't know. I'm thinking, next time we do it, I'm going to stir it up instead of leaving all the powder on top, like I see so many other videos.
I don't know, it's kind of disappointing.
Well, I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
It's fine, she said. It's not bad. I mean, it's got
like
a good flavor.
It's like a blackberry pie with shallow crust.
Need some vanilla ice cream with it. That would make it really good.
It's okay.
The crust part's pretty good now. The cake and the butter part.
I don't like the blackberry.
Sorry.
Okay.
We'll
It's
find
better,
it.
It's better than the peaches option.
You don't like peaches. I don't know what she'll like. If it ain't yet chocolate, I bet there's no hope for her.
Probably not.
So we'll have to keep searching then. We'll find something you like.
Well, maybe y'all will like it.
If not, I had fun making it with you. It was easy.
Alright. That's all I want.
She's done, she says.
Alright.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.